The following meditation can be used whether you are seated with a meal before you or simply preparing to cultivate awareness around nourishment. I invite you now to take a deep breath in and slowly release it. Allow your body to relax, your mind to settle, and your awareness to shift to this present moment. I ask you to notice any sensations within you. Are you hungry? Satisfied? Maybe you're somewhere in between. Simply observe without judgment. With your next breath in, anchor yourself into this space of stillness and presence. If you have food in front of you, I invite you to take a moment now and truly see it. Observe the colors, the textures, and the way the light moves across the surface. Now bring the food close to your nose and inhale gently. Notice the aroma and how it makes you feel. If you are holding the food, feel its texture, its weight, the sensation of it against your fingers. And when you take a bite, allow it to be slow, intentional, and feel the experience of the flavors, the way they evolve, the way they nourish. If you are not eating, imagine this process, envisioning the deep awareness and appreciation you can bring to each meal. Nourishment is a gift. So now I'd like you to reflect on all that brought this food to you. The earth, the rain, and the hands that prepared it. Each ingredient carries energy, offering you life, strength, and vitality. And with gratitude, silently affirm, I receive this nourishment with appreciation and care. I invite you to listen to your body, for it is wise, always communicating what it needs. Notice how your body responds to the food. The signals of satisfaction, the rhythm of hunger and fullness. By slowing down and listening, you strengthen the connection between you and what you eat. You also notice how you feel. So gently affirm, I trust my body to guide me toward nourishment and balance. And as this meditation comes to an end, take one more deep breath in and fully exhale. As you carry this awareness with you in your daily life, allow each meal to be an act of presence, gratitude, and self-care, setting the intention that I choose to eat mindfully, honoring my body, mind, and spirit. And when you feel ready, Bring gentle movement into your body and open your eyes if it were closed. And may you continue to nourish yourself with love, awareness, and appreciation.